Who doesn't like the combination of beef, onion, and mushrooms? Today we're going to show you how to cook beef stroganoff. It is a dish that might sound difficult, but the whole process is super easy. It only takes like 20 minutes. So beef stroganoff is usually made with beef cut that is very tender. Today we're going to use sirloin fillet. You can also use tenderloin, ribeye, or other steak cuts. First we're going to slice the beef into thick slices, about 1 inch thick. By the way, while cutting the beef, you can also boil some water and start to cook egg noodles. Next, season the beef with salt and pepper, and roughly massage it. Now we're going to prepare some vegetables. For beef stroganoff, we highly recommend you cut the mushrooms into quarters instead of slice them. Trust me, quarter mushrooms in this dish will be 1,000 times better. Then we're going to chop half an onion. Next, we're going to crush some garlic and then dice them. After chopping everything, preheat a pan on the stove. Put it on high. We're going to wait until the pan becomes super hot and then add some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Then add 2 tablespoons of butter. Without the olive oil, the butter is very easy to burn. So we mix it with olive oil and we'll have this nice oil mixture for the steak. Once the butter is totally melted, add the steak to the pan. Make sure we have enough room for all the beef. Don't add it all at one time if you have a lot of beef. If we add too much, it'll become crowded and it will cool down the temperature of the pan. It will become watery and you won't get a nice crisp cook on the beef. Once one side is fully done, we flip the beef to the other side. After the first half of the beef is cooked, take the beef out and do the second half. Once the beef is finished cooking, remove it from the pan and add onions. You don't need to clean the pan as the beef sauce will stay in it while we saute the onions. So then we add 1 tablespoon of butter into the pan. This will help add more flavor and prevent the pan from becoming too dry. Add the mushrooms and saute them. Season the mixture with salt, garlic, and black pepper. Once the mushrooms are cooked, add 2 tablespoons of flour and stir it well. It will give us a creamy and thick sauce later. Add 3 cups of beef broth into the pan. Once it starts boiling, add about 2 tablespoons of white wine. Simmer for about 10 minutes. Once the sauce has reduced, add beef into the pan. Stir well with the sauce. Here we don't cook for too long. Once the beef becomes warm, we're going to remove it from the stove. Don't let the beef become overcooked, otherwise it will be very tough. At the end, add 1/3 cup of sour cream and stir well. Serve this with egg noodles and garnish with some chopped chives. Now it is time for us to enjoy this delicious beef stroganoff. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.